Have you ever meticulously counted every calorie, only to find the number on the scale stubbornly refusing to budge? You're not alone. Millions of people fall into the calorie counting trap, believing that weight loss is a simple equation of calories in versus calories out. But the truth is far more complex. Our bodies aren't calculators, and reducing weight management to mere numbers can actually sabotage your efforts. Factors like stress, hormones, and the quality of the food we consume play a significant role in how our bodies process and utilize energy. Obsessing over calorie counts can lead to unhealthy behaviors, such as restrictive eating and an unhealthy preoccupation with food. Get ready to ditch the diet mentality and embrace a holistic approach to well-being. Counting calories can be a significant source of stress, especially when the numbers don't seem to add up. This stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that can actually promote weight gain. Cortisol encourages the body to store fat, particularly around the midsection. It can also increase cravings for sugary, high-calorie foods, further sabotaging weight loss efforts. When you're constantly worried about exceeding your calorie limit, you're more likely to make impulsive food choices. This can lead to feelings of guilt and shame, which further perpetuate the cycle of stress. Instead of enjoying meals, you become preoccupied with calculations and restrictions, creating a negative relationship with food. Chronic stress can also disrupt sleep patterns, another factor that influences weight. Lack of sleep can further increase cortisol levels, making weight loss even more challenging. It can also lead to increased appetite and cravings, making it harder to stick to a healthy eating plan. The constant pressure to stay within a specific calorie range can take a toll on your mental health. Stress management techniques like exercise, meditation, and spending time in nature can help break this cycle. Focusing solely on calories ignores a crucial aspect of healthy eating nutrition. A 100-calorie pack of cookies and 100 calories of broccoli might have the same caloric value, but their impact on your body is vastly different. The cookies offer empty calories, providing little nutritional benefit, while the broccoli is packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Nutrient-dense foods provide the building blocks for a healthy body. They support optimal metabolic function, hormone balance, and overall well-being. Prioritizing whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats is key for sustainable weight management. By focusing on nutrient-rich foods, you naturally consume more fiber, which can help you feel fuller for longer and reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks. A metabolic rate, the rate at which your body burns calories, varies significantly from person to person. Factors like genetics, age, activity level, and muscle mass all play a role. Restricting calories too drastically can actually slow down your metabolism, making it harder to lose weight and easier to regain it later. When you consistently consume fewer calories than your body needs, it enters a survival mode, conserving energy and slowing down metabolic processes. This can lead to a plateau in weight loss, even if you're diligently tracking your calories. Your body becomes more efficient at storing fat, making it harder to shed those extra pounds. Ignoring your metabolic needs can lead to nutrient deficiencies, fatigue, and hormonal imbalances. It's essential to listen to your body's cues and provide it with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. Hormones play a powerful role in regulating appetite, metabolism, and fat storage. Restricting calories and stressing over food can disrupt hormonal balance, hindering weight loss efforts. Leptin, a hormone that signals satiety, can become dysregulated when you're consistently under-eating, leading to increased hunger and cravings. Ghrelin, another hunger hormone, increases when you're not consuming enough calories. This can lead to intense feelings of hunger, making it difficult to stick to your calorie goals. Chronic calorie restriction can also affect thyroid function, which plays a crucial role in metabolism. An underactive thyroid can further slow down your metabolism, making weight loss even more challenging. Focusing on balanced meals with complex carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats can help regulate insulin levels and support weight management. Mindful eating involves paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues, savoring each bite and eating without distractions. It's about cultivating a positive relationship with food and recognizing emotional triggers that lead to unhealthy eating habits. This approach can be far more effective than rigid calorie counting for long-term weight management. Start by eating slowly and chewing your food thoroughly. This allows your body to register fullness signals, preventing overeating. Pay attention to the taste, texture, and aroma of your food, fully engaging your senses in the eating experience. Minimize distractions while eating, such as watching TV or scrolling through your phone. Before reaching for a snack, ask yourself if you're truly physically hungry or if you're eating out of boredom, stress, or habit. Recognize your emotional triggers and develop healthy coping mechanisms that don't involve food. By tuning into your body's natural hunger and fullness cues, you can regulate your calorie intake without the need for obsessive tracking. Sustainable weight management is not about quick fixes or restrictive diets. It's about adopting healthy lifestyle changes that you can maintain for the long haul. This includes focusing on regular physical activity, prioritizing sleep, managing stress, and cultivating a positive relationship with food. It's a holistic approach that addresses all aspects of well-being. Find activities you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week. This could include activities like brisk walking, jogging, swimming, cycling, or dancing. Exercise not only burns calories but also improves mood, reduces stress, and boosts metabolism. Prioritize getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep deprivation can disrupt hormone balance, increase appetite, and slow down metabolism, making weight loss more challenging. Manage stress through techniques like meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Ditch the diet mentality and focus on creating a sustainable, healthy lifestyle. This means letting go of restrictive eating patterns and embracing a balanced approach to nutrition. Enjoy your favorite foods in moderation, without guilt or deprivation. It's about making peace with food and cultivating a positive relationship with your body. Focus on nourishing your body with whole, unprocessed foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods provide the essential nutrients your body needs to function optimally and support overall well-being. Listen to your body's cues and eat when you're truly hungry. Trust your body's innate wisdom and honor its signals. Everyone's body is unique, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach to weight management. What works for one person might not work for another. It's essential to experiment and find what feels right for you. This might involve trying different types of exercise, exploring various healthy recipes, or seeking guidance from a registered dietitian or certified personal trainer. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. Weight management is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, and it's important to be kind to yourself throughout the process. Focus on progress, not perfection. Don't be afraid to ask for support from friends, family, or a support group. Surround yourself with people who encourage and uplift you.